Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration. This integration allows you to manage WhatsApp conversations directly within HubSpot, making it easier to communicate with customers and track interactions all in one place. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to get access to the platform. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your customer relationship activities. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your navigation bar and click on it. This will take you directly to your settings area where you can configure various features and integrations across your HubSpot account. Before moving forward, it's important to verify that your current plan supports WhatsApp integration. Some HubSpot plans may require specific add-ons or upgraded features to enable WhatsApp connectivity. Take a moment to check your account plan details in the settings. If WhatsApp isn't available on your current plan, you'll need to upgrade or enable the feature through your account settings or contact your account admin to make the necessary changes. Once you've confirmed your plan supports it, navigate to the left sidebar and look for either Inbox or Conversations. This is where HubSpot manages all your messaging channels, including email, live chat, and social media connections. Click on Inboxes to view your current message channels and their related settings. This section gives you an overview of all the communication channels you've already connected to HubSpot. Now you're ready to add WhatsApp. Look for a button labeled Connect Channel or Add Inbox and click on it. This opens up a menu showing all the available communication channels you can integrate with HubSpot. From this list, select WhatsApp. The next step involves connecting your actual WhatsApp business account to HubSpot. You'll be prompted to sign into Facebook or Meta, since WhatsApp business accounts are managed through the Meta Business Suite. Follow the authorization prompts to grant HubSpot access to your WhatsApp business account. If you have multiple WhatsApp business numbers, you'll be asked to select which number you want to connect. Make sure you choose the correct business number that you want to use for customer communications. And that's it. Your HubSpot WhatsApp integration is now set up and ready to use. You can start managing WhatsApp conversations directly from your HubSpot inbox, keeping all your customer interactions organized in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.